Here are some tips for your resume preparation. No need for any courses. Please check out below points. When it comes to preparing a resume, the first step is to gather all the necessary information about your work experience, education, skills, and achievements. Once you have this information, start by choosing a clear and professional resume format that highlights your strengths and makes it easy for the hiring manager to read. Next, create a compelling summary statement that highlights your most important skills and accomplishments. Use bullet points to list your work experience, focusing on your most recent positions and highlighting your achievements in each role. Be sure to include any relevant education or certifications, as well as any volunteer work. When it comes to formatting, keep it simple and easy to read. Use a standard font and size, and make sure there is plenty of white space. Use bold or italicized text to highlight important information. Finally, rectify your resume carefully to ensure that there are no typos or errors. Ask a friend or mentor to review it as well, and make any necessary edits before submitting it to potential employers. If you like it, share and subscribe. Thank you.